Lineup. The 2017 Volvo S60 T5 Dynamic, $33,950, has front-wheel drive and the 240 horsepower 2.0-liter engine, as well as leather seat upholstery, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 7-inch infotainment screen, Bluetooth, moonroof, xenon headlights, aluminum inlays, and 18-inch black wheels. All-wheel drive is available for all T5 models, $2,000. Technology, $1,500. Sport, Vision, $1,950, and navigation packages are optional. Prices are MSRP and do not include $995 destination charge. S60 T5 Inscription, $36,800, is equipped like the T5 Dynamic, but has the longer wheelbase for added rear seat legroom. S60 T5 Inscription Platinum, $40,800, adds walnut wood inlays and other luxuries. S60 T6 AWDR Design, $47,400, gets the turbocharged, supercharged engine and all-wheel drive, as well as many T5 options as standard. Included are perforated leather seats, steering wheel inlays, Harman Kardon premium audio, and 19-inch alloy wheels. S60 Polestar AWD, $60,000, tops the lineup in price by far, including the 362 horsepower engine, all-wheel drive, sport seats and steering wheel, and 20-inch wheels. S60 Cross Country, $44,400, has 7.9-inch ground clearance and the base engine, but is equipped much like the T6R design, except for 18-inch wheels. Walkaround. Sweeping curves blend with organic details and a wedge-like profile, resulting in a clean and classy appearance, devoid of clutter. Less flashy than some rivals, the S60 is plain and conservative. Unquestionably, the S60 is a Swedish Volvo, even though the company is now Chinese-owned. Inscription models, with their longer wheelbase, approach elegant status. The taller S60 cross-country sedan conveys a moderately rugged appearance, though it may not be as pleasing to the eye as a standard S60. Interior. Comfortable cruising is a high point. The S60 comes with some of the best front seats you're likely to find in any automobile, though a bonnet bolstering could make it snug for larger folks. For a compact sedan, the cabin is spacious, and affords excellent visibility. Backseat passengers aren't quite as fortunate unless they're in an Inscription model, which provides extra legroom. Still, even standard-length models won't cramp 6-footers. Compared to more contemporary luxury sedans, the S60's interior seems plain, far from fancy, though the black dashboard has a textured look. Angling in the driver's direction, however, that dashboard has a business-like aura, while the all-digital gauge cluster suggests greater modernity. Instruments are bright and easy to read,